Are you trying to grow your business and brand on Facebook, but no matter how consistent you are posting daily, what kind of content you put out, nobody pay you their attention. So when you look at the engagement, it's not there. There's no leads. When you look at your bank account, there is no sales. And in this video, I want to audit my new student, Ariella, her Facebook content strategy. So by the end of this video, you know exactly what to post daily to get massive results on Facebook. And also, I will share with you the prompt, the resources, the design template that we are using in this video. I put them in the video description down below. So click that link after you go through this training so you can access my exclusive resources. Let's dive right in. So let's start from the parts that Ariella, I think she did it right. So this is her banner, and this profile is relatively new profile. She just recently created this new profile, and here, banner message cover three things. Number one, who does she help? Exhausted caregivers. What kind of dream outcome Ariella can help them achieve? First 10K in 60 days. Ariella go for the method angle, which is turn your school time into a daily payday. That will work too. When people click on the banner, they're gonna see the copywriting, which is congruent with the banner message. And here is her funnel link. When people click on it, then it will go to her offer funnel. Then people can put in their email. That's how you build your email list without you being around. Now, here is the intro section. Profile detail, very clean, just one link for people to click through. And here is her portfolio. So she has her goal, her story, and also testimonial. This part, Ariella, you need to fill them up. Now, let's address the challenge here, which is her engagement and also the response rate from her audience, because that's the first thing we need to look at before we talk about the possibility of making that quick sales. Why engagement is important? Because if you don't have engagement, that tells me one thing. Your audience is not willing to pay you with their time yet. If they are not even willing to pay you with their time, how likely they're going to pay you with their money? So before we talk about sales strategy, which I already create a step-by-step documentation for Ariella, I want to address this first. How can we increase engagement? And in order to increase engagement, especially right now on Facebook, I also want to share with you what's working right now. But before we even talk about quality of your content, I want to take a look at the quantity. Because if you don't know this, after last August, Facebook changed its algorithm. Before, you cannot post more than one or two posts a day. Otherwise, when you post more than that, Facebook suppressed your reach. That was before last August. But since last August, Facebook algorithm, they roll out this new algorithm called AI discovery algorithm, which means Facebook AI will, based on your content, the context of your content, then it will decide who they should send your content to. So if you create more posts right now, you simply give a Facebook algorithm more chances to test different pieces of your content in front of different people. That's why right now, quantity is the key before we level up quality. And also the quality will come from the quantity, because once you put into enough reps, your quality naturally improves. So the first thing first is your posting quantity. If you are just getting started, just do one per day for the first week. Once you know the post structure, which I will include the link down below in the video description to share with you my detailed training about post style that you're going to see in this video, included my Canva template. I'll put everything down below in the video description. So when you are watching this video, you can just take it and implement that in your Facebook business as well. So Ariella post one 3 hours ago. Then last one was posted by me because I tagged Ariella. That was on March 25th. Today is March 29th. Then the last post from Ariella was on March 25th, which means between 25th to today, 29th, there was no post. We need to post 1 to 3 a day, okay? Then after 25th, the last post was March 19th. That was 6 days in between, no post. So number one thing, Ariella, you need to do is to post daily. One post a day if you are busy. If you can, pre-schedule them, do 3 a day. Now, let's talk about content style. Ariella, she did one, this is what we call Facebook comment thread post. What is Facebook comment thread post? It means you make a post like this. This is just text. Then you pile up step-by-step value in the comments. So here are 7 insane prompts. There is no value. There should be prompt number 1, prompt number 2, prompt number 3, prompt number 4. Before I show you how to do this properly, I also want to show you the students who have been implementing the structure I'm sharing with you on this video. One of my students, Trisha, I actually talking to Trisha this morning. Trisha said, hey, Daniel, gosh, your strategy helped me break my record big time. 55 leads on one post. And look at views. So Trisha shared this with me this morning, 12,000 views from one post. And she also made 57 cents. This is pocket money comparing to the digital product sales that Trisha is making. 972 engagement from just one post. This one got shared 13 times, saved 59 times. 85 people raised their hands. I always wonder how to get people commenting the keyword. Trisha had that challenge before she came into my coaching. Now, every post is generating leads. So here, this is my actual backend data. This is actually the style I want to share with you today. How do you quickly create posts like this? Super easy if you use my template. Again, I include that in the video description down below so you guys can try it out. Let me show you some results like this one. I only posted about less than 48 hours ago. This one post brought in over 100,000 views. I posted on 27th. Today is 29th. Early morning 29th. So less than 2 days. 100,000 views. And let me see. This one got 176 shares. 91 comments. Lots of people raise their hands. If you can do 1 to 3 posts a day. So here I have this post as my main post with an AI image. All these images are generated by AI, and I pile up step-by-step value in the comments. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, so on and so forth. Then at the end of the comment thread, I add in my CTA. I'm giving away my brand new training with my $1,000 a day formula. If you want it, comment coach down below, then I'll send it over. So I end the post with one final CTA. Give my audience a clear instruction. If you want to take one step further with me, what's that step? Very easy. Just comment coach down below, then I'll reach out to you. So do you know how much time I spent to create this entire post? Less than 5 minutes. So you need to do this 1 to 3 posts a day and do it consistently every single day. You're going to see obvious growth in about 2 weeks. Now, I also will give Ariella this entire document. This is more detailed strategy, the 14-day sales acceleration plan. Here, I already analyzed Ariella's, her posting, her entire content strategy. So here is ideal customer avatar, the exhausted caregiver. Here, I also come up with 10 deepest emotional pain points. Here are 10 identity shift transformation. What kind of new person they want to become. So we have 10 pain points. We also have 10 dream outcome, identity shift transformation. Here is Ariella's origin story before, after transformation. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this and use AI to create storytelling content, which I'll show you in just 1 minute exactly how to use this. Because after analysis, here is the problem. Why engagement and sales are low. Number one is this account is new. So in order to speed up the process, you need to post more, especially using my resources to do what's working right now. Number two, lack of pattern interrupt. Her posts are often standard make money claims, and they look like everyone else. One of the reasons why all these posts work very well right now, because the images I created using AI and Canva. Again, if you click the link down below in the video description, I share that with you. Number three, missing direct CTA. Once you start posting consistently in about 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing people start raising their hands. Once you get to that stage, you need to make direct CTA. What's direct CTA means? This is what I mean, direct CTA post. 99% of my content is simple AI images, including this one, created by AI, and made me $6,000 with digital products in the last 6 days. Here are the proof. I'm gifting my new training on how I did it. If you want it, comment class down below. So I'm getting people to raise their hands. So I'm going to message them, give them information, and see if I'm able to help their business. It's very simple. If you want this, comment down below. Then I'll reach out to you. This is what we call direct CTA post. So once you get traffic coming in, you need to start making direct CTA post. Depending on your posting quantity, if you post one post a day, then I would say you make one direct CTA post once a week. If you are making 3 posts a day, I say you make direct CTA post one every 2-3 days. All depends on how aggressive you post. Here are the 14-day action plan. How to make one sale, $1,000 commission in 14 days. So phase number 1, from day 1 to day 4, will be engagement reset campaign. Day 1, you're going to post this. Day 2, you post this. Day 3, you post this. Day 4, you post this. I already lay out the strategy, exactly what content style you should be posting per day as the engagement reset. Even though I only put 1 post a day, that would be the main theme. But I highly suggest you use my template and resources to crank out at least 2 Facebook comment thread posts to bring additional traffic in. Now, phase 2, from day 5 to day 9, direct offer sequence. Phase 3, from day 10 to day 14, this is scarcity and close. And here is the step-by-step solution to content problem. I won't go into too much detail because this is the report for Ariella. But basically just follow this step-by-step plan for the next 14 days. Now, because one of the problem is this, inconsistent storytelling. This is so important. Her reels are powerful, but her static posts are often generic, not enough storytelling. So now I want to share with you how to do storytelling posts using AI. In order to create storytelling posts, we have to understand what pains and desires your target audience they have. So I can create my storytelling post that can make you feel I share same common challenges and same goals as you. That's why I came up with this list. All we need to do, I like to use Cloud. So check this out. Just simply copy paste this entire prompt from here. Copy paste this entire prompt. Basically, this prompt will pick one pain point from this 10, and it will pick one transformation as the desired outcome from these 10 transformations. Then create a storytelling content using Ariella, her own story. So I just fit everything in. Let me show you. I copy everything. I also copy paste those 10 pain points and also 10 desires from this section. Paste it together with that prompt. Then boom, it came out with the final piece. I need to tweak it back and forth for a few words, but boom, I used to stare at my phone at 9 p.m. and think I want to build something, then close the app because I was too tired to even think straight. That's not laziness. Here is the example. Okay, here's the output. So you can check it out. And also on this document, I also give Ariella that Facebook comment thread post training. I will put this in the video description down below for you guys as well. So when you click the link down below in the video description to pick up my training and also my resource, you're going to see exactly how to create this type of post. Use it today, then comment back in 2 weeks of time. Let me know your results. And this is exactly how I create results like this. Check this out. This post, it got shared 1,400 times. 732 people raised their hands asking for my offer. So now you guys have the secret. If you do receive value from today's training, make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out any of my future training videos. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, then I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.